Oops. Hey, Sam, can you take Daddy's shovel? Can you shovel?
Yeah.
Sam, what do you think of all the snow?
No.
Can you say snow?
Video?
No.
Snow. And can you say shovel? That's right, shovel. What do you think of all this snow?
Hey, where's the video camera?
Do you want to make a snowman? Can you say snowman? Oh, very good. Can you say Merry Christmas to Grandma and Grandpa?
No.
Say Merry Christmas. Can you say Merry Christmas, Sam? Say Merry Christmas. Good. Can you say I love you, Grandma? Oh, and can you say I love you, Grandpa? Yeah, Grandma, Papa, can you say I love you? Good. And can you say hi, Amber? And can you say hi, Andy? Oh, very good, Sam. Say I love you too. And can you say Merry Christmas to Amber? Say Merry Christmas. Good job, buddy.
Stop.